The easiest AI side hustle I just discovered that you can start is an AI music production business.
I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. I don't care about your bodies. Love the way you touch my body. Front of back, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want.
Yes, so just watch this AI music video I produced with this popular song called Favor.
This song is going around the world.
In this video, I will tell you the 3 ways you can monetize this idea, and I will show you how you can make these AI music videos, music dance videos, and AI music cover videos for different song artists and start making a minimum of $500 monthly as your reward. And secondly, you can monetize this by owning a faceless channel on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, where you remix and cover other song artists' songs, both trending and not trending. And thirdly, if you are a song artist yourself, you can just produce your own music videos from the comfort of your home and monetize it on YouTube, TikTok, and other social media platforms. And getting the ideas or plan for your music video is simple as ABCD, because the tool I'm about to show you, the method I'm about to show you, is literally going to give you ideas and plan your music for you. All you just need to do is to make little adjustments or no adjustment at all. Now let me show you how you can start producing this kind or any kind of AI music video yourself. So to get started, visit freebit.ai on your browser or click on the link in this video description for easy access to the website dashboard. So now you want to copy the music URL from either YouTube, Spotify, or any other music platforms out there, and you can as well make use of a video file if you want, but that actually takes more time based on my own experience and observation. I prefer making use of URL instead. So now you can paste the music link, and you can drag the 2 lines to the part of the music you want to make a music from. You can as well make use of the entire song if you want, but I don't have free access to make use of the entire song, so I'm just going to be using a part of it. Now you can describe the video you want to create, so I'm just going to quickly ask it to make a Christian music video for me, and you can add 1 or 2 characters for the video, or you can just leave it the way it is. So after adding your characters, you can choose the preferred aspect ratio. I'm going to be leaving mine by 9:16, that is for short, but if you want to make use of long form content, then you can leave it 16:9. So after that, you want to select 10:80 for the resolution, and you select the style you want for your music video and click on create. Okay. Okay, so we just have to wait for the AI tool to analyze the video link that you actually provided, just for it to get the entire information it needs for your music video. So now you can go ahead to click on continue and wait for it to make further research about your video URL, and once it gathers all of the information, the necessary information it needs, you can now go ahead to click on continue. All right, so we're just going to wait for it to sketch out the story for our music video. So this is actually going to take like few minutes to be done. Okay, so it actually brings back a detailed breakdown of the song, that is the mood and the emotion, the chord thing, which is genesis or favor, and it actually brought out a brief narratives of the scenes that it will be making use of in the music video, and the visuals, which is pretty cool. So like I said, you don't really need ideas, or you don't need to plan your music video. The AI is actually going to do the thinking, it's going to do the ideation and the planning for you. All you just need to do is to make little changes. So if you want any changes or adjustments, you can just ask it to do that from the comment section below, that is the comment bar. Otherwise, you can go ahead to click on continue, and it's going to start creating and bringing your scene to life. Okay, so that is also going to take few minutes, so let's just wait for it to process. Okay, so here are all of the scenes for this music video. You can always make adjustments if you want, like I said, but if there is no changes to be made, you're okay with all of the scenes is actually generated, then you can go ahead to click on continue. And I am super in love with these scenes, the images is actually generated for this music video I'm about to create, because it's all related and connected. And so let's go ahead to click on continue and wait for a few more minutes. So guys, so here is the final result for our music video. I love the movement, I love the scene, I love the lip snitch, like it actually follows. The lip snitching is perfect. So let's quickly play it one more time for you to see.
This sound is going around the world. Angels of favor are going to be released.
With this same tool, you can as well create a dance music video for yourself or for a song artist. And if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and do turn on the bell notification button. But before then, you can as well go ahead to explore the Freebit AI platform yourself. Try out all of their amazing features, both the free and the premium version. So guys, if you watch this video to this very end, I believed you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating and producing this video. So please support the channel, support me by liking this video. You also have to subscribe because it's 100% free, and you can as well share this video to someone else. That's to help me grow. And thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.